Faded Culture. My name is Sergio Barron, and today I'm gonna show y'all step by step how to do a Mohawk with color on top. Let's jump right into it. To start this haircut, we're gonna cut a little bit off the top. Now all we're doing is matching this right side of his head to this middle part right here. And now that we matched up the right side of his head to the middle, now we're gonna match up the left side right here to the middle. First, I'm gonna lay down. Oh wait, first I'm gonna lay down my. I'm gonna take a nap. So I'm gonna lay down my first guideline starting from this point right here, and I'm gonna make sure it curves as I reach the back, and then I'm gonna make sure it ends probably about a ½ inch away from his hairline right here. Now for my next guide, I'm gonna make sure I come up about a ½ inch from this first one right here and just make sure that it runs parallel to that previous one. Now with my number one guard, I'm gonna come up above that another ½ inch, making sure it follows these previous lines that we set. And now that our two guidelines are set in, you should have this top one right here and this bottom one right here. We're gonna start by removing this top one and then work our way down to that bottom one. So as you can see, this guard didn't completely take out this top guideline, so I'm gonna finish blending it out with the one guard lever still at 3/4. And now for this last guideline, it's gonna take 3 lever positions to blend out, starting with the clipper lever closed, then we open it halfway, and then all the way, gradually opening it up as we move up into the blend. All right, so now that we're done with the fading process, we're gonna go ahead and start with the bleaching process. All right, so I pretty much got my mixture ready. It's 40 grams of bleach and 80 grams of developer, so it's a 2-to-1 ratio. So once I'm done applying the bleach, all I'm gonna do is let it sit for about 40 to 45 minutes with the cap, and then just let it process before we come in and wash it out with the purple shampoo and apply the toner. All right guys, so I pretty much washed off the bleach with the purple shampoo. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dry it up before I apply the color. Now I'm just applying a little bit of shaving gel throughout all the areas that I will be shaving. Y'all can go ahead and feel free to purchase any of our products or tools and t-shirts at paytoculture.com. Now this part is optional, but if y'all do want to add enhancements to the lineup, go ahead and mix equal parts of water with hair dye and an airbrush. Just apply it with the card on the edges. I'll leave all the steps and the tools that we use in this video down in the description, so y'all can feel free and follow along that way. And now that I'm done with the haircut and the color, I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little bit of texture on top and then go ahead and style it. And for the texture, guys, all I'm doing is grabbing about a section at a time, starting from the back, and I'm just cutting about an angle of 45 degrees into the hair. just to help bring out more texture. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. I hope y'all enjoyed this haircut tutorial on a Mohawk, faux hawk fade with a hair color on top. This was my first time dyeing somebody's hair, so if somebody down in the comments can let me know maybe some tips or teach me a thing or two on how to dye hair, that'd be greatly appreciated. Also let me know what y'all think about how I did on my first color. But other than that, I hope y'all were able to learn something from this tutorial. If y'all did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe to the channel and check out the rest of the videos that we have on this channel. But with that being said, guys, thank y'all so much for watching. My name is Sergio Barron, and I'm gonna catch you on the next video. Peace.